Let me show you how you can use HTML to create anything that you want to create inside of system.io. So the first thing you need to do is you want to come to your system.io account, and under the funnel you want to select the particular page where you want to put this HTML code. So I am currently inside one of this page, and this is supposed to be my opt-in page. So I can just come here, click on edit the page, and then we can go to the page editor, the canvas itself, and this is where we can add the HTML code. So I already have this code written here by Claude AI. So I use Claude to write this code because I want it to be faster. So I just want to come here, I want to copy the code that I want to put as a HTML. So this code should be a HTML. So you can use the same process to add any kind of HTML code that you want to this, to your landing page or to your system page. So from the elements here, you want to scroll down here and you see where we have the raw HTML. You can drag it and drop it. You can keep it anywhere where you want. You can put it inside the column, or you can start a full section for it. So I'm going to put it somewhere here, and this is the code. So once you add it, you want to click on it and you have this option to edit code right here. You can also align it wherever you want it to be, and you can add a margin. Here you can do if you want it to display on desktop or just mobile, and this is the attribute code. But this is how you actually paste the code. You come here where we have edit code, and you just want to replace your code here with your own actual code. So this is the code I want to use, and then I'm going to click on save code. So after saving this code, you can see this is what our page is going to look like. As you can see, it's actually very clean, and I did this using Claude. So in my next video, I'll show you how to build a full funnel using Claude and system.io. So if you want to watch that video, I'll link it in the description of the video. And if this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe. My name is Noel, and I make useful videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.